Dude, now I going to tell. Dude, now I going to tell how to find out volume and surface area of a sphere. Sphere means it's just a ball. They give us the radius. Here they have given radius as 1 unit. You need to find out what's the surface area of this sphere. Surface area of the sphere can be written as 4 pi r square. So here it going to become 4 times of pi times of this is the radius, which is 1 unit, so it becomes 1 square. 1 square means 1 times of 1, which remains as 1. So this completely equal to 4 times of pi times of 1. 4 times of pi, 4 pi times of 1 also remains. 4 pi square units is the actual surface area of this sphere. Let's find out one. Let's take out another sphere. In this sphere they are giving out like this, that is the radius as 2 units. Here also you need to find out what's the here also you need to find out what's the actual surface area of the sphere when they have given radius as 2 units. You can do it out. Surface area is nothing but 4 pi r square. Here also it is same thing, 4 times of pi times of radius. Here they have given us 2 units, so it is 2 square. 2 square means nothing but 2 times of 2, which is 4. So this is equal to 4 times of pi times of 4. 4 times of 4 is 16. So 16 times of pi, which is 16 pi square units, is actual surface area of this sphere. Let's take another sphere. And now you're going to get here like this. That is, here they have given in this sphere, that is the radius they have given us 5 units. When the radius is 5 units, here you're going to get what's the surface area. You can do it out. Surface area of this sphere is 4 pi r square, and here it going to become 4 times of pi times of, here the radius is 5 units, so you're going to multiply it by 5 square. 5 square means 5 times of 5, which becomes 25. So you're going to get 4 times of pi times of 25. That means you multiply 4 times of 25 by 100 pi square units is the complete surface area of this ball shape. Let's take another sphere, and in this sphere they have given like this, that is the radius of this sphere is 7 units. You need to find out same what's the surface area and what's the radius they have given us 7 units. Even surface area of this sphere can be written as 4 pi r square, that is 4 times of pi times of, here the radius is 7 unit, so it becomes 7 square. Now 7 square means you can write it as 7 times of 7, which is 49. This is equal to 4 times of pi times of 49. 4 times of 49 is 196. So it is 196 pi square units is actual surface area of this sphere. Let's take another sphere. In this sphere, they have given the radius of the sphere as 10 units. You need to find out what's the surface area when they have given radius as 10 units. You can do it out. Surface area of sphere as 4 pi r square. Here it is 4 times of pi times of radius they have given us 10 unit, it is 10 square. 10 square means nothing but 10 times of 10. 10 times of 10 is 100, so this also becomes equal to 4 times of pi times of 100. 4 times of 100 is 400, it becomes 400 pi square units. Let's take next another one. Here they are giving out, I am telling how to find out the LCM and HCF of different numbers. Here they give 2, 3, 5. You need to find out what's the LCM. Write like this, and first start by smallest prime number you can divide, that is 2. You can divide it 2 1 times. You cannot divide 3, so 3 remains like that. You can't even divide 5, so 5 also remains like that. Next you must take, you cannot divide by 2 anymore, so let's take next prime number 3. This one remains like that. 3 1 times is 3, and 5 also remain like that. You cannot you divide 5 by 3. Next, let's take next bigger prime number, which is 5. Here 1 remains like that. Here also 1 remains. 5 1 times 5. So you're going to get LCM is nothing but you need to multiply all three of them. 2 times of 3 times of 5. 2 times of 3 6. 6 times of 5 is 30. So this is completely equal to 30. Let's take more numbers. Here they are giving out 2 4 and 8. Here also do the same thing. What you can do it out is 2 4 8. Take all of them. Now let's start by 2. 2 1 times is 2. 2 2 times is 4. And 2 4 times is 8. Let's start to divide again. Here you can divide 2 1 times 2. 2 1 times 1 remains like that. 2 1 times 2. Again 2 2 times is 4. You again take 2 because you can divide by 2. Here 2 1 remains like that, 1 remains like that. 2 1 times 2. So here LCM going to become 2 times of 2 times of 2. 2 times of 2 is 4. 4 times of 2 8. So 8 is the LCM of these three numbers. Let's take just two numbers, that is 5 and this one, which is 7. You can take here 5 and 7. Here let's see if anything divides by 2. Nothing. Let's take 3. Nothing divides by 3. Now let's take 5. You can take here 5 1 times 5. 7 remains like that. Again 7 1 remains like that. 7 1 times is 7. So this becomes LCM is equal to these two numbers. You need to multiply 5 times of 7. 5 times of 7 is 35. So this is completely equal to 35. Let's take more numbers. Here I am taking 10 20 and this number becomes 25. Here let's multiply, find out LCM of them. 10 20 25. Here also start by dividing 2. 2 you can divide these two numbers, so take that. 2 5 times 10. Again 2 10 times is 20. 25 you cannot divide by 2, it remains like that. And next again you can divide this 10 by 2, so again take 2. 5 remains like that. 2 5 times 10. And 25 also remains like that. You cannot divide anything by 3, so let's take directly 5. 5 1 times 5. Again 5 1 times 5. And 5 5 times 25. Again there remains 5, so you can take 5 again. 1 1 remains like that. 5 1 times is 5. LCM of these numbers is 2 times of 2 times of 5 times of 5. Now you get it as 2 times of 2 4. 4 times of 5 20. 20 times of 5 is 100. So 100 is the actual LCM. Let's take more numbers. Here I am just taking 2 and 3. How to find out LCM of them? Let's take them 2 and 3. First start by 2. 2 you can divide as 2 1 times. 3 remains like that. Again you can take 3. 1 remains like that. 3 1 times 3. Now LCM becomes equal to, you need to multiply these two numbers. 2 times of 3. 2 times of 3 6. So 6 is the actual LCM. Let's take next numbers. Here they are giving out 15 and 20. You can start to take this. First let's take starting prime number 2. You can divide this, so 15 remains like that. 2 10 times is 20. Again take 2. 2 5 times is 10. Now let's see, you can divide anything by 3. You can divide 3 5 times is 15. 5 5 remains. Again 5 1 times 5. Again 5 1 times 5. You can take LCM equal to 2 times of 2 times of 3 times of 5. So this becomes 2 times of 2 4. 4 times of 3 12. 12 times of 5 is 60. 60 is the actual LCM of these numbers. Let's take the final one. Here you're going to get 2 5 and this one next number is 10. You need to find out about these three numbers. You can do it out. 2 5 10. Let's first take 2. 2 1 times 2. 5 remains like that. 2 5 times 10. Next you cannot divide by 3, so take 5. 5 1 times 1 remains. 5 1 times 5 1 times. Now LCM equal to these two numbers multiply. 2 times of 5. 2 times of 5 is 10, so it is equal to 10 by